Good morning, class 3. Hope you all are fine. I am your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawwar. Today we are going to start the question answers of the chapter The King and the Goose Herd. So let's start answer these questions. Question number 1 is, why did the king sit under the tree? We have read in the chapter the king sat under the tree to take rest. Now, question number 2 is, what happened when he began to read the book? Dear student, we have read in the chapter he fell asleep when he began to read the book. Now, question number 3 is, what did he miss sometimes later? Yes, dear students, have you remembered what he missed sometimes later? Yes, he missed his book sometimes later. Now, question number 4 is, who was nearby? Yes, who was nearby? A goose herd boy. A goose herd was nearby. And what is goose herd means? Goose herd means a boy who takes care of geese is called a goose herd. Now question number 5 is, what did the king ask him to do? The king asked him to find his lost book. Now question number 6 is, what reward did the king promise him? Yes, dear students, have you remembered? What the reward did king promise him? Yes, the king promised to give him a gold coin as a reward. Now question number 7 is, where did the geese go? Yes, you have remembered what we have read in the chapter. Yes, we have read in the chapter and we have seen in this picture all the geese flew over the fence and ran across the meadow. And what is the meaning of meadow? Meadow means green field. Now question number 8 is, how did the boy keep the geese together? We have seen in the picture and we have read also the boy kept the geese together with the help of a whip. And what is the meaning of a whip? Stick or rod. Now question number 9 is, what did the boy say when he returned? The boy said, I have found the book and you have lost the geese. Now question number 10 is, what reward did the king give the goose herd? Yes, have you remembered? What reward did the king give the goose herd? Yes, he gave 2 gold coins to the goose herd as a reward. We can see in this picture the king is giving 2 gold coins to the boy.